In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone your voice using Elevenlabs, a fascinating tool that allows you to create a digital replica of your own voice. This can be useful for a variety of applications, from voiceovers to creating personalized audio content. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this with just a few simple steps. To begin, once you're on your Elevenlabs dashboard, direct your attention to the Voices section. You'll notice a plus symbol alongside it. This is your starting point for adding a new voice. Clicking on this will open up a set of options designed to guide you through creating your unique voice profile. Next, you'll want to select the Instant Voice Clone feature. It's worth noting that this particular feature isn't available under free plans, so ensure you're prepared for any necessary upgrades or subscriptions needed to access it. This is a powerful tool, so following the instructions closely will help you get the best results. Once you've selected Instant Voice Clone, you'll need to give your voice profile a name. This is not just a formality. It helps organize your voices, especially if you plan on creating multiple profiles in the future. After naming your profile, the next step is to upload your voice recording. This recording will form the basis of your voice clone, so choose one that best represents the tone and quality you wish to replicate. After uploading your recording, it's time to exercise a bit of patience. The system may take some time to process your audio, so don't worry if it doesn't happen immediately. While you wait, you can add additional details to your voice profile. Consider labeling your voice with attributes such as gender and accent. These labels help refine the cloning process and can aid in achieving a more accurate and personalized voice reproduction. Once you've added these details, you'll need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. This is a standard procedure, ensuring both your rights and usage are protected. After ticking those boxes, the final step is to hit the Add Voice button. And there you have it. Your voice is now cloned and ready for use. Remember, each step is crucial in ensuring you get a voice clone that accurately represents your original voice. By following these instructions, you can create a voice clone that not only sounds like you, but one you can use creatively across various platforms. So go ahead and explore the possibilities with Elevenlabs. Whether you're a content creator, a storyteller, or someone just fascinated by voice technology, this tool offers a unique way to expand your vocal presence digitally. Happy cloning day!